Welcome back, students. In this class we continue some applications of trigonometry, chapter 12, exercise 12.1. Here in this class we continue the question 11. So a TV tower stands vertically on the bank of canal from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meters away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and width of the canal. So first we'll see what is the question, and one by one we'll solve. So first this is the tower. So I'll write here this is the tower. So a TV tower stands vertically. This is TV tower, stands on the bank of a canal. So this is the TV tower. So we give this name as AB. So now, and this is height of the tower. Now what is the height of the tower? We'll give this as height h meters. We don't know this, so we have to find out this height of the tower. So next, and also width of the canal. So now from the point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation. Now we'll take a point D here. So from here, the angle of elevation top of the tower. This is top of the tower. The top of the tower is 60 degrees. So we'll just write a line here, because so angle of elevation from the top of the tower is 60 degrees. So we'll mark this as 60 degrees. So from another point 20 meter away from this point, here we got a point 60 degree. From here, that is mark a distance that is 20 meters. There another angle from another point 20 meter away on line joining this point, that is the foot of the tower. Foot of the tower is 30 degree. Line joining this foot of the tower, so this is 30 degree. So another angle of elevation 30 degree from the top of the tower, and from this point 20 meters away. So now this we do know, this is h meter, and this distance means the width. Find the height of the tower, that is this one, and width of the canal, this one. So we don't know this also. This is x meters. So finally, height of the tower and width of the canal we have to find out. So the whole this one. Width of the canal. So this is the canal, and here we have a tower. From the top of the tower, angle of elevation is 60 degrees, and that is the distance from this point. After 20 meters, another angle of elevation from the top of the tower is 30 degrees. So this is the diagram. Then we have this one as D and this point as C. Now we have angle ACB is equal to, angle ACB is equal to 60 degrees. And angle ACB and angle ADB is equal to 30 degrees. This one. So in the right angle triangle, now first in right angled triangle, that is ABD, that is the triangle outside. This one I'll write like this: A, B and D, 30 degrees. Tan theta is equal to how much? AB by DB. AB by DB. So what is tan theta? Tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to AB by, AB is CH and this one is H by, here one more point is there, we can write it as C, that is 60 degrees. So what is this? Means DC plus CB. So write down what is, so AB is H meter by DC plus CB. So what is DC here? That is 20 meters and this one is X meters. So therefore 1 by root 3 is tan 30 is equal to H by 20 is DC and CB is X. Now cross multiply these two. So we get H 20 plus X is equal to root 3H, which is equation 1. So now we move on to the next one, means next triangle. So again one more time I'll write the diagram. This is the diagram, rough sketch. So this is 30 degree, this is 60 degrees, then this is A, B, C, D, and this is H meters, and this is 20 meters, X meters. So now in right angled triangle ABC, this one ABC, that is ABC, 60 degrees. So tan theta is equal to, then tan theta is equal to AB by BC. So therefore tan 30 is equal to, what is AB here? AB is H meter. So H by, this one is X, CB is X. Therefore tan 60 degrees is equal to H by X. Therefore tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to H by X. Cross multiply, we'll get H is equal to root 3X, which is equation 2. Now substituting H is equal to root 3X in equation 1. So what is equation 1? 20 plus X is equal to root 3H. This is equation 1. Substitute for H is equal to 20, X is equal to root 3 into root 3X. So 20 plus x is equal to root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3 into x. Now 20 is equal to 3x minus x. Therefore 20 is equal to 2x. Therefore x is equal to 20 by 2. 2 ones are 2 tens are 10 meters. So we got x is equal to 10 meters. So only here, see, we have to find out this one, that's all, not this whole. So only this one, x we have to find out. This is already there. Okay. So next we will continue. So now x is equal to 10 meters. Now next is substituting x is equal to 10 meters in equation 2. What is equation 2? H is equal to root 3x. So h is equal to root 3 into 10. Then h is equal to 10 root 3 m or meters. Therefore finally the height of the tower, that is h, equal to 10 root 3 meters, and the width of the tower, width of the canal equal to 10 meter, that is x. So this is the solution for the 11th problem. We move on to the 12th one. Twelfth problem is, from the top of 7 mm high building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degrees. Determine the height of the tower. So there are two, angle of elevation and angle of depression. So for this we'll write the first So this is a height of the cable tower. So this is the cable tower. Then we have a building here. Then this is a building with height of, this is a cable tower and this is the building. This is a building and height they have given is 7 meters and a cable tower is here, and which is BC. Height we don't know. We don't know the height. H meters. Then so the angle of elevation from the top of the cable towers. Then angle of elevation from here to here, top of the building, is 60 degrees. So join these two. 60 degrees. Top of the tower and angle of depression to the foot of the item. Okay, now this is angle of elevation. Now draw a line joining this point. So mark this one as point E, and they have given the same thing. Now here is 7 means here also it is 7 only, because we are joining here. This is also 7 meters. After this, then angle of depression means angle comes like this. Angle of depression, the foot is, see here, foot of the tower. Angle of depression means join these two. So this is 60 degree angle of elevation. Angle of depression means is 45 degrees. So then join these 2 points. Determine the height of the tower. This one we have to find out, and this also we don't know. What is the distance between the tower and the building? X meters. This is building, tower, cable tower, everything I have written. So now everything is here only. This is the top of the building, top of the building, top of the tower, foot of the tower. So I have written everything here. So you can now write here also all the description in the question, that is AD is the building height, that is 7 meters, and this one is H is the BC, height of the tower, everything you can write. Angle of elevation is 60, angle of depression is 45 degree. So now I will directly go to the angle of elevation is angle CDE. This one CDE is equal to 60 degrees. Angle of depression, angle of depression is the angle below, that is EDB, that is EDB is equal to 45 degrees. So a construction is required. The construction is required. Just write down. From the point D, draw from the, I explained already, point D, draw a line that is DE parallel to AB. See here, DE parallel to AB. Then we have, that is angle EDB equal to angle ABD. This one, angle this one, see, EDB is equal to ABD. These two opposite angles are is equal to 45 degrees. You can write it as alternate angles. Alternate angles. Now AB is equal to, yes, AB is equal to DE. This is also AB is equal to D is equal to X. D is equal to X meters. Distance between what? This I'll write here. Distance between the building and the tower. Distance between building and the tower. So here, this one. So after this we move on in right angled triangle. We'll take BAD. So BAD, first one, this I'll write here, BAD, tan theta. So here it comes like this, here 45 degrees. Next, tan theta is equal to AD by AB. AD by AB, therefore this is 7 meters and this one is X meters. Then tan 45, theta is 45 degree, AD is how much? 7 by X. Therefore tan theta is 1, 7 by X. Therefore X is equal to 7 meters. So now we take one more triangle. So see this one, which one? That is CED. So this is the diagram. So I'll write once again here. So this 60 degrees, then this one 45 degrees, A, D, B, E, C. This is H, this is X, and this is 7 mm, HM, XM, again this is 7 mm, again this is X meters. So this completes the diagram. Now in right angled triangle CED, that is CED, this one, tan 60 is equal to how much? That is CE by DE. So what is tan 60? Therefore CE can be written as here. CE can be written as CB minus BE. See here, CB minus BE. This one, whole CB can be written as CB minus BE, which is equal to CE. Now substitute tan, this right one theta, tan 60 is equal to CB can be replaced by CB minus BE by this DE can be replaced by AB. See this one, these two we have to use. Sorry, AB. So AB, DE is equal to AB. So now substitute tan theta is equal, what is CB? CB is H meters minus BE is given as 7 meters, AB is X meters, and tan 60 is √3. 60 is equal to √3. Now cross multiply, we get H is equal to X, H minus X is equal to √3X. So therefore H is equal to √3 X √3 plus H. Here bring this 7 to the other side, that's all. Gave it name as equation 1. Therefore substituting X is equal to, already we have got X is equal to 7 meter in equation 1, this one. Therefore H is equal to X √3 plus H, sorry, this is X 7, this one is 7 plus 7 is equal to 7 √3 plus 7, finally meters. Finally we got, therefore the height of the tower is equal to 7 √3 plus 7 meters. So this is the solution for what? That is 11th and 12th problem. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.